So you just bought a brand new Winnebago Echo, and you got a little bit of extra money you want to throw at it to improve the quality of the ride or improve the quality of use. We get this question a lot. Hey, what do I do with $15,000 to my Echo? What do I do first? This customer chose to do suspension, a front bumper, and window tint. And honestly, they're pretty damn good choices. Now, number one, I'm always gonna say suspension is the best investment you can make for your Sprinter, especially when you're dealing with a heavy Class B or C RV. Suspension is gonna dramatically improve the ride. You're gonna notice it every single time you sit behind the wheel and use the van. And it's gonna make your ride not only more enjoyable, but safer, more stable, safer for you, your wife, kids, to be going down the highway. So I fully endorse this customer's choice in going with a suspension upgrade. In this case, he went with the Agile Off-Road Ride Improvement Package. We went with improved leaf pack in the rear, sprung for 6,500 pound rear axle weight, 2.5-inch body rear Fox shocks, commercial series, and then a Bilstein B6 front strut with a coil kit from Agile and an auxiliary shock. This is a very standard rip kit package that we install almost every single day here at the shop. There are many levels of package that you can choose to use on your Sprinter. In this case, this is more of the standard package. You can go up to the Elite Series, you can go up to the Factory Race Series, but in this case, for 90% of the customers that we work with, this ticks all the boxes and makes a dramatic ride improvement without spending all of your money. That package as it sits is somewhere around $8,000 installed. From there, he wanted to add protection up front, so we added a CA tuned off-road hammerhead front bumper, some lighting. We went with LP6 Pros in a driving combo with an amber backlight. This is a very popular setup. It's very clean. It's probably the strongest bumper on the market. It's steel construction. You can literally pick the van up from the bumper. We have pictures of one hanging from a crane from the bumper. So I'm a big fan of this bumper, quality product. The lighting is a huge plus for driving in the countryside or late nights where you can utilize an off-road light like this. It makes a super wide beam of light in front of the van, so it's much safer going down the road when you're looking for animals and things like that. Finally, he added window tint. We used our friends over at Premium Auto Solutions for the window tint. They do all of our tint jobs. They do phenomenal work. He did the front windows and the wing windows, and then the visor strip or the brow up on top of the windshield. You may wonder why you see this on a lot of the vehicles that we work on. I personally have it on my van, my G-Wagon, my car, all my vehicles, I have this brow. And what's really nice about it is it extends below your line of sight when you're sitting in the car, below the actual visor. So you get that protection of a visor, but all the way across the windshield. I don't mind it when I'm looking through it on a clear day and I have to look through the tint. I don't mind looking through it. Some people might not prefer that, but for a lot of folks, the added protection from the sun glaring in your eyes and not having to flip down your visor all the time is really a plus. And in this case, he opted to do that. A lot of folks will also tint the entire windshield in a very, very light tint that protects against UV, so it cuts down dramatically on the heat that enters the cab. A very popular option, and that's really one of the best features about tinting your windows, not only for privacy so people can't see in, but to cut the heat. So especially if you live in a warm area or somewhere that gets a lot of sun, window tint makes a really big difference in that fishbowl effect when you're sitting in the cab. So this is a very popular package, I would say, for many of our Echo owners and other models of Sprinter. We do this suspension kit, this exact kit, on hundreds of vans a year. It's tried and true. It works. It just freaking works, and it makes your life behind the wheel night and day different. So I'm truly not trying to oversell that. That's the feedback I get from all of you guys that watch this, that own these vans and use them. They say, man, I wish I would have done this sooner. So if you have any questions about suspension or other options, this kit, something smaller than this kit, or the very top of the line, let us know. Shoot us an email, drop a comment below, just get in touch with us, and we're happy to guide you through what would work on your application. If you need bumpers, protection, winch, lights, any of that for your van, whether it's a big Class C or just a Class B, let us know. Happy to help. We do all brands of bumpers. We're a dealer for pretty much every major van manufacturer out there, so we can find something to suit your liking and get you dialed in with that. And then of course, window tint. While you're here, we can help facilitate window tint, vinyl wrap over at Blackout Graphics. We have a lot of partner companies that we work with here in the local area to support some of these aftermarket additions. Some folks will do bed liner coating on the rocker panels and such. We have a shop for that. So We can truly be a one-stop shop for you where you come here, get your upfit work done on the van, and then we take it and get coating done for you, window tint, vinyl, you name it. When you come pick up your van, it's fully done. You don't have to make multiple trips to multiple shops. We just take care of that for you. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.